Okay, so one of the drawbacks of Pika is obviously you only get sort of however many seconds, what's that, 3 seconds of footage, which is sort of annoying and probably not going to be the length of your particular scene. Now, one option is, of course, a clip like this, you could just slow down in your film if it's more of a set in the scene. But if you've got something like someone speaking, then that's a bit more problematic and a bit more tricky. Now, one way that you can sort of hack this is it's a little bit of a faff, but again, it's free and it's AI, and compared to traditional animation, it's a lot quicker. So what you can do is use a program like CapCut. That's what I use because it's free and pretty good. You import your clip that you've downloaded, okay, and you drag it onto this main area here, and you go right to the end and you just do 1 space back there, and then what you want to do is export. So basically you're exporting the very last frame of your animation. So you just go to this little thing here, export still frame. I'm just going to call that still 1. Just put that on my desktop for now. I know it's very lazy and unprofessional, but there you go. Okay. Make sure it's all the correct settings and export. Then what you want to do is come back to Pika and copy the prompt again. So we go, oh, I've lost my space. So we go to /create prompt. Then we put in basically exactly the same prompt as we had before, and then we go to the +1 symbol, and we go to image, and we go to upload, and we go to the lazy place where I left my image, still 1 PNG, and then we go. Okay, here we go. So then we obviously download this image. Okay, and we come back to CapCut or whatever program you're using, and we'll just import the downloaded again. Put it on here, and we'll see how close it is. Now, it's not going to be 100% perfect, so we might have to play around a little bit, but let's see. So we go, wow, that is actually very close. If I take, let's try again. I can't see any fluctuation there. So we've got now what's that, about 6 seconds footage for, you know, not that much work really. There we go. Okay, so we've got that. We can take this logo out quite easily. We can sort of play around with that, but we've got our first potential opening scene.